Hi, this is Abdul Arman Shipon. This is the presentation for Big Data Analysis Report. I take 1103. Me and my teammate Bikramjit Singh will give the presentation for the report we prepared. So let's start with the background. Why is this analysis important? This analysis is important for every business firm and corporation. We know to increase productivity, we have to analyze the data, and if we can increase the productivity, then therefore we can increase the revenue. We can gain valuable insights, business insights from this analysis and data sets. Then we can uphold the reputation and remain competitive with other companies, and most importantly, we can improve our overall operations. So next, our main goals and aim for this analysis to provide interesting insights is our goal, and trends and patterns is also our goal. Exploring, analyzing, and visualizing this dataset is our aim for this presentation. So we'll do the analysis over this four question. The first one is, how much is marketing and marketing budget allocated to each department? What are the top countries with respect to numbers to customer? What is the popular brand with respect to frequency each department and annual total sales? And what is the annual total sales store chain across countries in different months? So I will analyze the first two questions, and my teammate Bikramjit Singh will analyze the next two questions. Now let's start with the first question, which is, how much is marketing and marketing budget allocated to each country? Let's see the data set, and the data set shows us that marketing budget is most for women department and least for men department. We can see from the data set that mostly the marketing budget depends on the frequency. The only exception is grocery, which shows its frequency is on the third among all the department, but its budget is less than other four department, which is women, health, electronics, and kids, but more than men. So we can tell women department is most important in frequency of sale and marketing budget both, and men's department is least important among all the department for frequency of sale and marketing budget. Point to be noted, this marketing budget showed here is presented in trillions. So let's analyze the next data set, which is top countries with respect to number of customers. So let's see the data set provided from such analysis. Now this analysis shows the customers numbers in relation to countries. We can get the volume of customer from customers ID registered in each countries. So this data set shows most of the customers are from United States, and next to that, China has less than half of customer of United States, which is more than 7.5 trillion. But United States has close to 15 trillion customers. Then close to China is Mexico, and respectively Malaysia, England. Germany has less than half of customers than England, and France has mostly most less than any other countries. So we can say that United States is most important in terms of customer, than respectively China, Mexico, Malaysia, England, Germany, and so on and so forth. For the next part of analysis, my groupmate Bikramjit Singh will do the presentation. Thank you. Hi, this is Bikramjit Singh. I will do the presentation from this part. So we'll start by analyzing what is the popular brand with respect to frequency, each department, and annual total sale. So let's see the data set. The data set showing us frequency of brand name grouped by each department. So there is like three brand, which is pine, oak, maple, and these different color signifies different department. We can see orange color signifies women department, then light green color signifies the health department, then light blue signifies grocery department, yellow signifies electronics department, and pink signifies kids, and green signifies men. So pine is popular among all the brands, but maple is only popular to the kids. Oak has most popularity among the men than for electronics. So we can see oak has more sales for men's department among all the department, but pine sells most to the women, but they have good sales record for all other department except for men. So we'll do the next dataset analysis on what is the annual total sales store in relation to chain across countries in different months. So let's see the dataset. So there is three store chain, which is Grand, First, and Moda. So different color signifies different country. Grand is most popular in China. So their annual store total sales is 67.57% to in China. Then close sale in United States, which is 27.99%. But Fast and Moda, both store chain is popular in England, and their sales percentage is very close, which is in Moda they sells 49.5% in England, but in Fast they sell close to 47.41%. Fast has also some popularities in Malaysia, then Mexico, then China, but Moda sells more in China than all other countries combined, but it's less than England sales. England sales is 49.52%, but China sales is 46.61% for the brand Moda. So we can see Fast is popular among 3 to 4 countries, but Grand is most popular in USA and China, but Moda is popular in both England, China, and all other countries. So this number shows the annual sale record according to countries and store chain that we just analyzed. So this is the summary for this presentation. The datasets provide interesting insights, trends, and patterns among the data. And sales depend. We can take that sales depend on countries, regions, and different factors. Like brand, like other store chain, etc., etc. So thank you. This is the presentation for our report.